Rishi. I'm so glad that we could meet. And, I have read your book also. I can, as you can see, I have kind of marked certain pages and all, and they have been very interesting points of view. So, can you tell me something about how did you compile this particular poetry again? What actually triggered the need to put all this together and put it out?
Well, I started writing since 2014. Then this poetry collection you see is a compilation of so many years. I decided to compile them because I thought I need to speak about those feelings and to let the world know about them. So as you know in this book, as you covered, I designed myself. I had a vision behind it. Whether the lips speak or not, but eyes reverse the stereo of soul. Because my poems are based on soul experiences. Rather,
So, any particular reason why this kind of smells and all is there? Like,
yes, this is an eye, and this is like a dream catcher, and this is moon dealer. So the reason behind this that eyes speak the language or say. Behind the eyes, we can see everything we feel. And the moon, every time we look at moon, we actually are able to connect it with love and so many feelings, sentiments we feel. Like every night, we talk with moon and think about light, speak about our feelings, particularly everything in light. And that's how we connect with lies. We feel light. So this is the work. And Ink of Love, because I started my blog long time ago, somewhat in 2013. So then when I started my blog, its title was Tint the Ink of Love. Tint is a German word, but when deciding the title of the book, I decided to keep just the Ink of Love.
this kind of reminds of the whole red Indian mystic and some kind of myth or something like that. Just a kind of a visual. Um, and of course, it is also about love. So, a question that comes to you is that did any particular person influence you while you read this poems, or was it like some imagination that you could put it forth, or maybe some book or some kind of a character that you read in the story that probably inspired you to begin with this?
I would say both. Every time we go around, we see people, we see our surrounding. Nature also inspired me partly, and we also imagine things. And this book, you will find a lot of poems from my young age only.
It sounds so realistic and so very but you say so very much in tune with how one person in love is, and it's really very simple language and yet very much what you would say easy to grasp, that kind of a language. Was it a deliberate attempt on your side, or it was just a flow of thoughts and he's putting purpose?
It was just a flow of thoughts. But if you read these books, you will feel like I also wanted to do something, so I designed them myself as well. So that as you read the poem, you'll also connect with the. I mean, this is like spending time in a full night moon or something like having a quality time.
Well, that's great.
Yeah. Oh. So some poems are totally imaginative, but they are guided by soul experiences.
Easy or difficult was it to put these line drawings across for each of the poems? Like you had, I mean, I'm sure you had to create it completely, but these line drawings sometimes they are quite difficult to, kind of explain the poetry. So, was there any kind of poem where it was very difficult to illustrate whatever feelings you were held therein?
So this was like I had to thought about it.
Oh, okay. That's particularly difficult to put across.
I had to think about it because it's based on universal love, desires we feel, all the feelings that come.
Okay, that's very
But
interesting.
then I came up with some things like this. And notice the pattern of universe, then how it aligned with love, and how it all came together.
That's quite interesting to know. Thank you so much, Rishi, for sharing all this. If I would anything that you would like to share to readers who are reading poetry, or probably writers who are trying to attempt poems, anything that you would like to share with them?
This is not your particular love poetry, but this is something that will help you connect with yourself. It will connect your soul to your heart, and it will take you to divinity, because the poems are written from solely soul experiences. Because when a soul guides you to write something, it's deep inside you. And this is what poetry for me is. Without feelings, you cannot write a poem, and without art, you cannot feel everything.
Thank you.